Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of transformations on the coordinate plane. This is standard 8.10c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 15, which is a new item type called multiple select off the redesign practice online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So multiple select wants us to select two answers. So if you select two answers, it will not allow you to select a third. And if you try to just select one and move on, you will get an error message that says you have not answered all of the problems. So it is designed to try to get you to answer just two answer selections here. So we have a coordinate grid we can go ahead and draw here to represent these two circles. So we're transforming a circle, r to r prime. We need to know how to represent that with a rule. So let's see, this first r is going to be -4. So if we wanted to plot that, it would be, there's your -4, and there's your other -4. So we'd put the center right there. So we'll just call that r, that's -4, -4. They don't tell us how big the circle is, so we'll just kind of make it circle-y. And then we're going to go to r prime. All right, so r prime is going to be -4, 4. All right, so there's your -4, but now it's going to be up in quadrant 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right there. So there's your r prime, -4, 4. All right, so yeah, it looks like we kind of just slid it up there. So, or I guess we kind of flipped it up. So we can, it looks like we can either slide it up with like a translation, or we probably could reflect it up right there with a flip. That's what it looks like, but let's see which one actually, let's see which two of these also shows how we can represent that with a rule. All right, so if we're going x, y is x, and then y plus 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this r, right? We're going to take the -4, -4, and we're going to use this rule. So the x stays the same, so -4, and then the y is plus 4. So I'm going to take the -4 plus 4, which just gets me 0. -4, 0. I'm looking for -4, 4. So no on that one. Let's check this. I've got my -4, -4. And it looks like I can go into -x, -y. So -x is going to flip that negative into a positive. Right? So it's going to be 4. And then the y stays the same, so it's still going to stay -4. And they flipped it. If I had a -4, 4, that would work, but this is 4, -4. Right? So that's going to be over here in quadrant 4, not what I'm looking for. All right, so let's try our -4, -4, right? And the x stays the same. Okay, -4, so far so good. And then y is plus 8, right? So that's going to be -4 plus 8, which is going to get me 4. Aha, that's what I'm looking for. So this is one right here. That's that translation, that slide straight up. You're just translating it up. So this one goes to right here. All right, I'm looking for something that's going to be a reflection here. So let's see what we got. -4, -4. All right, so the x stays the same. So far, so good. -4. And then the -y. All right, so I'm going to take that y, and I'm going to change its positive and negative. So it's going to be from a negative back to a positive. Look at that, -4, 4. So there is your reflection. So that looks good. That's right there. So it's the third and fourth options so far. There's only two choices that we can choose, so pretty sure the last one's going to be wrong, but let's just double check. X, y, and then we're going to get a -y. So my y is going to be, so that's -4, -4, so that's going to end up being 4. And then my x is going to stay the same, right? So that's just going to be -4. And so no, that gets me down here again. So my answer is going to be the third and fourth option.